There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Durango Hemi Orange in Diamond Black. With Orange Sport Package, Adaptive Cruise Control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Orange BREMBO brakes, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, orange accent stitching, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7147.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.